Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have a couple different beauty subscriptions to unbox with you. I have the Kinder Beauty box, and I also have the Look Fantastic box from the UK to go over with you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start with the Look Fantastic beauty box. If you do like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. First thing I'm going to say about this, I really do like this UK subscription box. You get some different stuff from different places, and I do like that UK is held to a higher standard for their ingredients than we are here in the US, so that always makes me feel extra good and happy with this subscription. This is $19 a month. You can get it for cheaper if you go for longer, like 6 months or a year to be subscribed to them and pay in advance. You can get it for cheaper, but anyways, they always put a cute little magazine on top here, and in the magazine you can find, oh, looks like they put like a little coupon thing in here as well. This is a wine voucher. It says free case of wine. I'll have to look into this and see. I think that's kind of cool. I'm wondering the ins and out details of that, but I'll have to look into that. And inside is like a list of products of what we have inside of the box and some more details about them. Okay, the only thing that they don't put in here, I think, is the prices. But we have like how much of each product, what it does for you, and all that in here. It looks like the first thing I'm pulling out is a makeup product from Terry Terry. I just seen this in the Ipsy shop as well. I think they're selling it for like 12 bucks, but it's a colorless Hydra Care setting powder, and I've never heard of this before, so let's just read about it and see what it is. To perfect and smoothen the look of your skin with the hyaluronic hydra powder, a translucent setting powder that can be used to lock in foundation in place or on makeup free skin for a flawless looking matte complexion. Okay, and I think it's kind of cool. It has hyaluronic in here as well. I think that's super neat. There's something different. I'll definitely have to try this out. And the next item in here looks like this is a scalp scrub. This is definitely full size. Exfoliating anti-dandruff treatment. It clears and soothes dry, flaky scalps. I'm definitely going to be using this. My daughter has some issues with that sometimes, so this should help clear it up. But I'm always, like I said, it's kind of cool to see like different kinds of stuff and try different things. Okay, this is a vegan formula product, and I'm just going to open it to give it. Okay, it smells wonderful. Honestly, it reminds me of like the beach almost, like the way it smells, but it just smells really good. It's nice and thick, quite a bit of product in here. And then we have, it's from Foamy, and this is a shower body bar. Has papaya and oat milk in it. Oat milk, sorry. And this is 100% plastic free, vegan, cruelty free soap. So let's just open this up and see what it looks like. Okay, cool. It smells good. It smells just like clean soap, but I like it has like little exfoliation bars on the back, and then it comes with a little string so you can tie it up and hold it easier in the shower, which is really cool. And I'm always like okay to try new soaps and stuff like that. I'm definitely going to let everyone know. I do reviews on this channel if I find the soap to be drying or moisturizing or whatever, because sometimes with a lot of handmade soaps you get like a drying feeling, so I'll definitely be testing that out and let everyone know what I think about it. Next up is a little sample of Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I think this is really good for like travel. If you're going like to a hotel or something, you could just throw this in your bag and it'd be a lot easier to take with you than a big bottle. I have the full size of this, so I'm probably going to be gifting this to someone, but this is Mine Tan Body Skin. It's a rapid recovery after sun gel enriched with soothing aloe and nicomycin. I probably said that wrong, but oh, and good to know. This is actually good for 24 months after you open it, and it's Australian owned, so that's really cool. Vegan friendly. And lastly, in this subscription box is a Mio Future Proof Body Butter Intense Mega Moisturizer. And I'm just curious to see. Okay, it smells citrusy, which I do like. and it seems like a little bit goes a long way, and it's not really oily, so that's something else I like as well. Okay, this next subscription is called the Kinder Beauty Box. It is $26 a month. It is a vegan, cruelty-free beauty subscription, so everything inside is guaranteed to be that, which is really nice. It's not really super exciting this month. Next month they're supposed to be having an Aether Beauty palette, which is really cool. However, I did skip next month because I already have that Aether Beauty palette, but for anybody who's interested in it, they will be having a palette featured next month from Aether Beauty. This is a detox box, and it has a list of products. This does have prices and descriptions on it as well. This is how the box looks when you open it. Just has some paper in there, and the first thing I'm pulling out is a brightening toner from Chicky Botanica. This is definitely full size. I'm pretty sure most of the stuff in Kinder Beauty are full size, unlike the Look Fantastic. We have deluxe size in there as well, but they're usually more full size with this. And I do like the packaging. It almost looks like fogged inside. I think that's actually the product itself, but it smells good because it smells like herbally, and I love like herbal scents. So I like this. This is said to value at $42 for this toner. Next up is from a brand I know and love. It's Earth Harbor. It's Obscura Detoxifying Reset Ampule. Has black seaweed in it. So there's what that looks like. And I'm actually really happy to get this. I actually collect like Earth Harbor serums and skincare products. I know it's kind of strange. But I don't own this in particular serum yet, so I'm really happy to receive it. This is valued at $44. Let's look at it. This is what it looks like here. It's almost like a purpley colored serum. Super cool. And let's just give it a sniff. Honestly, this one doesn't have much of a scent to at all. So there's that. This is good for 1 year after you open it. And next up is, okay, what is this? This is a chill cooling body scrub with peppermint, Epsom salt, and seaweed extract. I really like that, and I'm excited to give this a go. I'm really a fan of like peppermint and the way it makes your skin feel, but also I think it's cool it has seaweed in the previous product we just had, and then this one as well. This is sealed, so I'm not going to be opening this today. I have been getting several body scrubs lately, but that's okay. I like to try different things and from different companies and stuff, so I will be opening this eventually and letting you all know how it is. And then we have two more products in here. We have a sheet mask from Sunken Australia Naturals. Really cool. This is an Australian sheet mask. I don't think I've tried one from over there. It's recyclable and biodegradable. It's with antioxidant rich kale, parsley. It helps to detox dull skin, resulting in radiant and even skin tone. So that's neat. And it has a bunch of things that it doesn't have in it on the back, and as well as letting you know it's carbon neutral and all natural. And then also we got, I love these, and I feel like this is something you can never have too many of. It's like little eco-friendly makeup remover wipes, and I love these so much better, and this helps the planet so much because instead of just throwing away each individual makeup wipe, you can wash these and reuse these and help save the planet at the same time. So I like that. But I'm jumping ahead of myself. I'm so sorry. This peppermint body scrub is valued at $34 for this, which is quite significant for its size in my opinion. But it might be really good, so we'll have to give it a chance. And these are valued at $6 for this, which I think is fair for two makeup remover wipes. So that's everything that I had in my Kinder Beauty box and my Look Fantastic UK subscription. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.